Welcome to Tekedia Daily. I'm Ndubuisi, Ekekwe. This is a special brief for Tekedia Daily, and we'll be focusing on just providing marketing brief to all the Medcera partners who are helping us across African cities to drive the penetration of Medcera. So, of course, we continue on our mission, which is to build an operating system for the healthcare delivery across African communities and across African cities. Our job is to make sure that doctors, nurses, clinicians, imaging centers, imaging labs, pharmacies, and as well as those working in the healthcare insurance industry have an integrated ecosystem that will help them to deliver better care with higher patient outcomes. It is all about the patients. How do you handle them? How do you treat them? How do you provide quality service to all our fellow citizens? So that is the mission of Medcera. It's an electronic health record system that delivers superior service at scale across cities, across villages, and across anywhere that can actually be internet connection. So we've identified some markets, opportunities that these partners can pursue. In the educational sector, you can actually go to university and ask a university or polytechnic or college of education that they can onboard all their new entering students into the Medcera ecosystem. In other words, there is no need for them to have any kind of health record system because Medcera is engineered to accommodate such needs. And if there is any need for them for us to have an element of little customization, get in touch. Our engineers will just do that. So what we want to do here is to deliver a service at scale that help all these universities, help all polytechnics and colleges of education, so that their students' medical record can always be with them. As they are leaving universities and going into the workplaces, they can always go with their health system because everything will be resident in Medcera. Also, military and law enforcement, from police to soldier to the army to the Air Force, and all elements of SSS across all nations of the security sector, Medcera can deliver superior service to accommodate all these people. So all we need to do is to onboard this into the Medcera ecosystem. And of course, there are companies. You have diverse, you have unclustered branches all over the country, all over the continent. With Medcera, it will be easier for you to help to deliver superior healthcare service to your workers. So somebody is working in Kenya, he comes to Nigeria. His medical record will always be with him. He doesn't have to be sequestered somewhere in Kenya while he's in Lagos. Under the Medcera operating system, all the new doctor in Lagos needs to do is to log into under the approval of that particular patient to get access to that medical record. That's it. So the NGOs and international organizations are looking at here, United Nations, UNICEF, and all divisions of UNICEF, United Nations, as well as other multinational NGOs, as well as local ones. With Medcera, it will be easier for you to do your field work. As you are traveling across communities, traveling cities and villages, we can make it possible for you to record, capture data with absolute better quality. And that is what we are working on. That is what we are supporting under NGOs, and we want you to come on board. So the health organizations, of course, the clinics, hospitals, imaging centers, labs, Medcera is for you. Of course, we're also looking at how can governments, local, state, at federal level, adopt Medcera as an operating system, as a medical engine that will help them to deliver better care. So as you are looking for partners, as you are looking for people to speak with, these are going to be massive huge opportunity for you to partner. Look for. These are areas the opportunities are. These are areas where you can find customers, future partners, future people that you can reach out. There are great benefits of adopting Medcera. It's absolutely free. It's portable. It delivers higher level of mobility. In other words, it's unbounded. It's unconstrained by the location because it runs on the cloud. You don't have to install anything. It's 24/7 availability and the support is around the clock. It's a secure system. It's highly protected. It has bank level security and the privacy of these patients are solidly guaranteed. Because if a patient does not give his or her approval, no one can have access to his medical record. Under the practice access management system, a patient can log his or her medical record from any person. We have engineered an amazing technology to make it possible that healthcare solution can run at scale. We are believing that our partners will reach out to these institutions, from education to military companies, NGOs, international governmental organizations, health governments. Let's bring them on board. Let's engineer a new revolution in the healthcare sector in Africa. We will be waiting, and we are so excited working with so many of you. This is a special edition of Tekedia Daily. Thank you.